Hey guys, so yesterday I got this box. It's a two-level um, box of dehydrated food, and I'm thinking some freeze-dried food. This can right here is creamy chicken flavored rice. And so I am not going to lug these things around in the van, so what I'm going to do is vacuum seal uh, stuff and take half of it, put it in my van, and then the other half is going to go to a place that I can go to get more food. Like I have a place up here. I want a place in Florida to keep some prepared food for me. So no matter where I might be stuck at, if things take a turn for the worse, I will have food. So what we're going to do today uh, is open this can up, and then I'm going to divide it as for portion wise. So, and I think tonight or later tonight we're going to, hold on, I got to put the phone down. I got these muffins, breakfast muffins. I don't know what kind they are. It kind of looks like it might be blueberry. But we are going to open this can up tonight and make some blueberry muffins or whatever kind of muffins there are in here, and see just how big the portion size is, so I know whether one portion is 6 muffins takes a cup and a half of this mix and then some water. And I don't know how many muffins that'll make, but if it's just me, then I don't need 6 muffins. I can put it down to 3 muffins, so I can cut it all in half. So that's what we're doing tonight, and I think we're going to try the stew that I got. And I'll read you a list of stuff that I got, but just I don't want to, lug these cans all around. So anyway, uh, I'll be back after I open the can, because, it's really not, no big deal to open a can. So I'm not going to waste time showing you that. So I will be back. Okay. I'll read you a list of the cans that I got out of this uh, delivery. Uh, I got a can of breakfast muffins, a can of long grain white rice, a can of quick oats, a can of traveler stew, a can of powdered whey milk, and that's what I'm going to use for my morning drinks that I can make in my little nifty blender. Woo-hoo. Throw a couple strawberries in there, some bananas, yum. Let's see, orange energy drink, freeze-dried sliced strawberries, home-style potato soup, chicken-flavored rice, and it smells amazing, by the way, broccoli and rice soup, and buttermilk pancake mix, and a can of mashed potatoes. Now, all of them are different size, serving kind of thing, but let's just do this one, okay? Now this says, has 24 servings, all right? Serving size is a half a cup dry rice and chicken. So I will be dehydrating bags of half a cups. so I don't have to measure or anything at a later time, okay? Now this works with dry foods, but like if you buy the powdered eggs, you have to refrigerate after opening those things. I'm sure that's how it works. Um, or I don't know, any kind of dairy, I would be kind of leery about it. I don't even know about the whey milk, if I can have that out of the refrigerator. Yeah, it's a good point. Good point. I have to see. The problem with this stuff is they don't give you an instruction book, okay? You're just kind of winging it. They give you, like on the back of this can, there's a recipe for red beans and rice and Persian chicken rice with apricots. So there is some uh, recipes on here. So so I should get 25 little pouches of the uh, chicken and rice thing. So we'll see if I get that many. So I'll be back. Okay, I made a pouch. It's a chicken and rice, and I put how much water you're supposed to put in there. So as you can see, it's pretty thin. So that's a meal, okay? No thinking about it. All I have to do is look at it. Oh, I want some chicken and rice tonight. So all I have to do is add hot water, okay? Uh, so the other thing I wanted to tell you is when you're dehydrating, or vacuum sealing, basically is what this is, vacuum sealing. You want to leave at least 4 inches at the top. And try not to get any dust up near the top. See, I was pushing it by leaving that little thing there. Because if you have something like this get in the way of your sealing, it won't seal properly. And then you'll be going to get this a couple months later and it's not going to be any good because it got air in it. So, got to be careful of that. About 1 inch on the bottom and 4 inches on top, because you do not want to get stingy with this stuff, okay? It's better to go ahead and get it done the right way than end up losing half of your food. So I'm going to get busy and I'll show you what it all looks like afterwards, okay? I'll be back. Hey, and if you're shaky like I am, get one of these nifty little, they're canning jar, canning, what are they called? Funnel. And you can just stick it down in the bag so you won't get your bag all dusty. That way you can pour it in there without making a mess, unless you drop it. So I didn't drop it, thank God. But yeah, that makes it a little easier to do that. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm done with the first can of chicken and rice. I've got 1 serving left, and we are going to sample this at dinner tonight and see how it is. But it's supposed to be 24 servings per can. I got 26 servings doing this, plus this that's left over for tonight. So I think that was a pretty good deal. I will leave a link below for the Prepper Patriot my Patriot Supply. So you can get an idea of what the cost is, and they're always running specials and stuff, but you know, don't wait too long. And also I wanted to say you're at the mercy of what they have in stock. You get that many meals, but it may not be, you know, you got to be open to different meals like chicken and rice, broccoli and broccoli and soup that I will be adding potatoes to, or rice or pasta. There's a number of things you can add to this stuff that will stretch it even further. So I'll leave a link below, and we'll be back tomorrow with another can and see how that goes. And I will taste test this on the end of this video, okay? Take it easy. Take the long way home. Bye. Woo woo. Okay, guys. We are making fried green tomatoes, and they are delicious.
Right straight out of the garden.
Right out of the garden. Put a flour, then add an egg wash.
Yep.
And then we decided, well, not we, Marlene decided to use Jiffy Mix.
Because she doesn't like big old lumpy cornbread.
And and these are the wonderful tomatoes that we've already fried. And they are freaking delicious. So,